Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I've got undeniable proof that hedge funds like Melvin Capital are spying on us. Although I suppose just because it's an article on a mainstream media website like Bloomberg or Benzinga doesn't exactly make it 100% guaranteed factual evidence, but you get the picture. Also, later in the video, I'm going to be going over some short interest data and the dark pool data as well. Trust me guys, you do not want to miss this video. So stay tuned and let's make some money. But before I dive into the video, I just want to give a massive shout out to the 1,100 of you that have currently dinged that notification bell, because you guys are always the first to watch a new video as soon as it's released. So guys, be sure to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell if you haven't already, because that way you won't miss another video just like this one. And now I want to dive straight in with the key information. So, GameStop and AMC short seller Melvin Capital ended 2021 with a first half loss of 46%. Founded in 2014 by Gabe Plotkin, a former portfolio manager for Steve Cohen, Melvin Capital was at the heart of the GameStop saga earlier this year. The hedge fund, which managed $11 billion in assets as of June 1st, is taking smaller sized positions to limit exposure to single companies. Plotkin has reportedly instructed his team of data scientists to watch social media and message boards to look for shares that are seeing high support from retail investors. Melvin Capital's first half results indicate the hedge fund is struggling to rebound from the losses it incurred from betting against GameStop and other stonks. Melvin Capital at one point was down 53% in January, before rebounding a bit in February, but was only up about 1% for the month of June. I personally think it's incredible to see that short-selling funds like Melvin Capital are now trying to limit their exposure to single companies, because they realise actually betting big against companies is not a great way to make money in the markets. It just destroys people's lives. But I think it's also incredible that Plotkin has told a team of data scientists to scour social media and message boards. Clearly they're going to be looking through the Wall Street Bets Reddit, probably the AMC stock Reddit, and potentially even watching YouTube videos, just like this one, to try and get the upper hand on us apes. But guys, you probably already know that us apes are very stupid. All we know how to do is hold the stock, so they're not really going to find anything on those message boards or in our YouTube videos. I wonder if Melvin Capital are trying to change their trading strategy. Instead of trying to short companies into the ground, maybe they're actually starting to become apes and trying to go on the meme stock hype. However, I guess this is why it's important not to set specific dates for the squeeze, which I've definitely been guilty of in the past. Especially if Reddit is being scoured by a group of data scientists, it's just giving them specific days where they need to short the stock extra heavily to try and prevent our squeeze. So apes, I want to personally apologise to you for trying to set specific dates when the squeeze could happen, and instead I'll rather just cover potential catalysts that could cause a squeeze rather than giving set specific dates. Although saying that, if any of you guys did profit yesterday when I said that the AMC stock was going to run up, consider joining the Patreon and becoming part of the team. All of the money that's raised from the Patreon will go back into the channel in terms of camera upgrades, lighting upgrades, and just really helps out what I do here. Now I also wanted to go through the short interest data here from Ortex. As you can see, as the AMC stock price has been running up, the short interest data has been climbing massively. Yesterday we had shares on loan of 98.6 million shares, with an estimated short interest of 96.4 million shares, up slightly from the day before of 95 million shares on loan, and an estimated short interest of 93.3 million shares. That's around 18.85% of the float that's currently shorted, and those short positions have been held for an average time of 37.5 days. That short interest data is from the 7th of July, so if we rewind 37.5 days, that's somewhere between here the 31st of May and here Friday the 28th of May, when the AMC stock price was around $30. Now I suppose those shorts are going to be a mix of people that shorted back here when the AMC stock was around $10 to $14, and also people that have been shorting from the highs of around $70. However, that does still mean that there's a massive amount of shorts that are currently still underwater that have been shorting the AMC stock since it was around $10 to $14 that still haven't yet closed out of their positions. Therefore, guys, we know that the shorts haven't yet covered. Not only have they not even covered, they've actually been adding more to their short positions, and we're now reaching near all-time highs of estimated short interest and number of shares shorted. In terms of the dark pool data, which you can get from stockgrid.io, we can see that its highest point, the total short position was around 30.6 billion. This did fall as some shorts closed their positions the other week, and the price of the AMC stock has fallen recently as well. However, what we can see is on a day-by-day basis, the shorts have been running out of steam, adding less and less additional new shorts to their position every day, with on some days they were actually covering some of their shorts. However, in the last few days, we have seen them adding to their short positions once more, although the volume added over the last week has not been anywhere close to the volume seen in the weeks prior. Guys, let me know down in the comments below what you think about the hedge funds like Melvin Capital spying on us and spying on our message boards like Reddit and YouTube. If you want to pick up some shares in AMC, but you haven't even yet signed up to a trading platform, be sure to check out the links down in the description below to get some free shares, whether you're in the US or in the UK or even in Europe. You can currently get 2 free shares worth up to $2,300 with Webull at the moment, and a free share on free trade worth up to £200. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my others. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers!